Hello guys, welcome back to my channel in English Academy. Guys, please like, share, follow, comment and subscribe the channel. Guys, if you have subscribed the channel, now we come on the topic the poem A River, which was written by the famous Indo-Anglican poet A.K. Ramanujan. Guys, you know that A.K. Ramanujan is an eminent Indo-Anglican poet who writes in English, Tamil and Kannada. Although he lived in the USA for 30 years, yet he never forget that he was Indian. Much of his poetry is based upon his recollections of the past. In his poetry, memory plays a significant creative role. So, guys, in this poem, uh, we we will study about the introduction of the poem and theme of the poem. So guys, let's start now. Guys, A.K. Ramanujan in his poetry, memory plays a significant creative role, and we also find a autobiographical elements in his poetry. Then we also find in his poetry the elements of irony and satirical. Guys, the poem A River is one of the finest poems of A.K. Ramanujan. It was published in the year 19 It was published in the year 1966 in the first collection of his poems called The Striders. Guys, in this poem, Ramanujan celebrates the river haved killed many people at different times, but the old and the new poets have remained indifferent to the loss of life and property, as well as human sufferings. Guys, A.K. Ramanujan has exposed the heartlessness of both the old and the new poets of Madurai. Madurai to the suffering of the people caused by floods in the river. Guys, you know that Madurai is a famous for very old temples and poets. These poets wrote poems about cities and temples, and they also described how every summer a river flowing through Madurai is reduced to a trickle in the sand, and how after some time it is flooded with rainwater. When it is reduced to a narrow stream, its water can't pass through the water gates because these are clogged at the rusty iron bars with piles of straw and woman's hair. The bridges over the river have many paths of repair. The bridge stones which becomes wet glistens like sleepy crocodiles, while the dry stones retain their dull color and look like water buffaloes longing in the sun. However, the poets wrote poems only about the floods. Guys, a stranger to the city was there only for one day when there were floods in the city. People all over the city talked about the recent floods, water by inches, how it was covering the steps of bathing gates. The floodwater swept away three village houses, a pregnant woman, and two cows, Gopi and Brenda, as usual. Thanks so much, guys.